Alright, I have cut out another pattern for another quilt. So I'm going to get started sewing on it today. This one's going to be four of these, and well, 3 are colored ones and 1 white one in a strip. They're 9 inches long, 10 inches long. And they're going to be a 9-inch block. So I'm going to start sewing here in just a minute. Alright, I've got the first strip on there. Okay, I'm going to put this one on. I hope everybody's doing alright this morning. I'm making a 1/4 inch seam. Well, that didn't. I didn't have that lined up right. And I'm pressing the seam down. Alrighty. Now I'll show you what the block's gonna look like. It's gonna be 9 inches square when I get through. And then I'm gonna put one this way and then turn one this way, and then I'll make a pattern out of it, and I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm chain stitching these now, so I'm making a bunch of them. Then I'll add, after I get a bunch made, I'll add the third strip. Make sure this is 10 inches long. Yep. I had to check the length of it since one of them was, the other one was just a little bit shorter than the other one. I've seen this pattern on YouTube too, on the quilting shows. these and add the third strip. I'm going to add the third strip now. Okay. I dropped one of them. Press that down. I'm switching up the colors so they won't all be the same. And I get a bunch made, I'll go turn the iron on and press these out. Alright, I'm going to put the lace roll on these, and then I'm going to press them out. I've got a purple here, I won't put that on it. Because I want all these, I've got too many colors that I can switch them up. I'll bring you back. All right, I've got some, and I'm going to press these out. They are going to be pretty. I've got a bunch of scraps up here. Press both sides. My come over and spend a week with me today sometime, and his daddy brings him. These are going to be so pretty. Like I said, I watch a lot of quilting shows on YouTube, and I got this pattern from one of them I was watching. I can see something, then she told me how to do it, so I just got the material and done it. Now I ordered this material from Amazon, and it comes in all different colors in one package, so that's just great to make quilts. Like fell off ironing board. Don't want that to happen. Alrighty, I'll bring you back later. Alright, I've got all my pieces together, made for this quilt. I've got them laid out the way I'm gonna put them together. I've got another row I'm gonna put over there, but I hadn't got room on here to get another row on there. But this is what I'm done. I've got 5 strips of 10 inches long, and when I'm sewed together, they're about 10 inches square, and then I'll get them sewed together. But this was easy to put together. I sit and cut out material that was 2.5 inches long night before last, and I worked on it yesterday. And I finished it up this morning. I had to add another strip to these. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. Thank you for watching, y'all.